There's something about a 1969 Camaro that never gets old. But when you drop an all-aluminum Ramjet ZL-1 big block under that hood, you've got something legendary on your hands. This is Paul Alderman's '69 Camaro SS, a ground-up, turnkey build by Kyle Tucker and the team at Detroit Speed and Engineering. Paul brought the car in as a complete vehicle, and DSE stripped it down to nothing. Media blasted it, rebuilt every inch, and turned it into something world-class. The heart of this car is that Ramjet ZL-1, an aluminum 454 big block pushing over 500 horsepower. The original ZL-1 was born for Can-Am racing, and only 69 of these engines ever made it into production Camaros back in 1969. This modern Ramjet version keeps that spirit alive with electronic fuel injection and a roller cam that makes it perfectly streetable. Power goes through a Tremec T-56 six-speed manual with a Centerforce clutch. Up front, DSE's tubular control arms handle the steering geometry. Out back, the car runs a DSE mini-tub kit to fit those massive rear tires. Baer brakes bring it all to a stop, and an Optima battery keeps the electrical rock solid. Inside, it's all business. Custom DSE dash panel with clean gauge layout, Recaro seats, wood-rimmed steering wheel that gives it just a touch of old-school class. The paint, a deep, screaming red with black racing stripes. This car looks fast, standing still. Paul's '69 was the first of two builds with Detroit Speed. It won numerous awards across the country and proved that when you start with the right team, the results speak for themselves. Paul Alderman's 1969 Camaro SS, built by Detroit Speed, powered by a ZL-1, and built to win.